If you're an indie artist, then you probably know the angst that follows the prospect of having to create a music video. First of all, what? Second of all, how? And last of all, and maybe the biggest obstacle, how much is this going to cost? Well, the great news is you can actually create an awesome music video on a $0 budget. And I'll give you 10 different zero budget music video ideas in this video, so keep watching. Hey, I'm Reagan Ram with OrpheusAudioAcademy.com, helping you make better music and grow your fan base online. And as we know, music videos are a great way to promote your music. You can put your videos on YouTube, and now you're taking advantage of that search engine and potentially getting new fans to find you in your music. But music videos can cost a lot of money, and for indie artists, when it comes to promotion, a lot of times quantity is more important than sheer quality. Now, obviously, you want to still have good quality music videos, and you can do that, but you can do it without spending tons of money on a production company and actors and all that kinds of stuff, video equipment. You can create really cool and interesting music videos without spending anything. And so I'm going to walk you through 10 different ideas in this video. Now, number one is creating a Gifs or memes video. Actually, I think they're pronounced GIFs, but whatever. So this is where you just find a bunch of free GIFs and memes and you edit them together into a video that fits with your music. This is simple, easy to do because you can find GIFs and memes all over the internet, and a great resource could be like Giphy.com or Jiffy.com, and you just put them all together and now you have a music video. All right, second zero budget music video idea is the lyric card video that was really first introduced by Bob Dylan. And this doesn't cost anything other than maybe buying the cards and the pens that you need to write your lyrics on them. So all it is you standing with a card that has your lyrics on, and as your music plays, you are flipping the cards, displaying your lyrics. And maybe to spice it up, you're doing this in different locations. So you film yourself flipping all the cards in maybe 3 to 5 different locations, and then you just edit those clips together, and now you have a music video. Now, third music video idea is the computer screen capture. And now I saw Tycho do a really cool version of this for their song Runaway. And what he did was just screen captured his computer screen, and then he had different windows doing different things. So he had a couple different windows playing different interesting video clips while he had a little note document up and he just typed the lyrics. And so this is really cool, really easy to do. And again, it doesn't cost you anything to create. Fourth music video idea is just shooting a really basic video of you lip syncing your song in an interesting location, or just doing something to make the video content a little bit more interesting. So a good example of this is Coldplay with their music video Yellow. Literally, all they did was just shoot on a beach. So the singer was walking down the beach. Chris Martin, is that his name? Yeah. So Chris Martin, the lead singer for Coldplay, was just walking down the beach and lip syncing to the song. But another cool thing they did with it was they actually had it go in slow motion. And so I think to get that effect, they actually had to lip sync at twice the speed, so that when they actually slowed him down, the song was playing at the normal speed. So it's a little bit of a filmmaking challenge there. But otherwise, he's just on this beach where the sky is kind of ominous and lip syncing, and that's all it is. And you can do that with an iPhone. You don't need to spend anything on that. Fifth music video idea is just creating a music video using various household items, right? OK Go famously did this with their treadmills music video, which I'm sure you've seen before. Now that one's a little different because who has like 6 or however many treadmills they have laying around? But you can take the same concept and just create an interesting music video with just a stationary camera set up on a tripod and do something interesting with household items for your music video. Now, similar to that, the sixth music video idea is to just film yourself performing or playing your song in random places in your house. An example of this is Matt and Kim with their music video for Daylight. So they have themselves playing in a refrigerator, in their closet. They do go a little bit more advanced because they actually go to film in the back of a taxi, and they have a camera. I guess someone else is driving in a car beside them filming them. So that takes a little, skill, maybe you may have to pay someone to do that, but you can give really simple. You don't have to go do what they did, but the concept still applies. And that's a really great music video that's gotten tons and tons of views. All right, seventh music video idea that you can create without spending any money is using travel footage. So this could be just you traveling and putting together different travel footage. Maybe it's time lapse, and that can just be interesting, seeing things change over time. Or if you don't have your own footage, you can use free footage from a platform like Pexels. You just download video clips for free and then put them in a music video. Now, the eighth music video idea is just creating a music visualizer. Now, this might be cheating a little bit, but it's not quite a lyric video, so I'm including it as a music video. And you can use a free tool like Veed.io to create one of these, music visualizers that you've probably seen before, where you have the waveforms representing the different frequency content in your song that react to your song as it plays. And again, it's just something interesting, visual, that is keeping people's attention while listening to your music video. Now, another idea that you can do completely for free is stop motion. So this is really cool. This is where you basically edit together a bunch of different frames or like pictures. So you might take a picture of yourself in one spot, you move to another spot, take a picture, and you edit them together. So it creates the illusion of movement. This can be done, again, completely for free. It can be time consuming, but it's another really cool idea. And again, OK Go did a really cool stop motion music video as well that you can see here, where they are making it look like they're moving around. And it's just a really interesting effect that really captures people's attention and keeps them watching, which is what you want for a music video, especially on YouTube. All right, the 10th and final no budget music video idea is simply a montage. So you can just put together a bunch of pictures and that are interesting, that are relevant to your band or the song, and now you have a music video, especially if you kind of animate the picture, so not just like static pictures. So example would be like, if you've seen a History Channel documentary, a lot of it is just pictures, but they have the camera. It's not really a camera that's, zooming in on the picture or going out or going across the picture. So you can do that too. It's really easy to do in iMovie, actually, free movie editor. Is just have these different pictures and you have the camera moving around, so there's movement keeping people's attention, and now you have another music video idea that it doesn't cost you anything. All right, those are 10 awesome zero budget music video ideas that you can create for your music. Let me know in the comments below which one of these sounds the most interesting to you and which one you think you are going to create first. Of course, music videos are just one small piece of the pie when it comes to growing your indie artist career. Now, if you're wanting to rapidly grow your fan base, then I highly recommend you grab my free fan building formula guide in the description below this video. And this will walk you through the 7 steps that you need to master in order to actually create a full-time income around your music. This works because it's a proven formula that a lot of successful indie artists are doing to create super fans who buy everything they release, whether that's music, merch, or even a fan club where they're joining and paying a monthly fee. So grab that again in the description below. It's completely free. Otherwise, drop a like if you found this video helpful, and subscribe if you don't want to miss any future videos I release on this channel about growing your fan base. All right, have an awesome day, and I'll see you in a future video.